So, hi everyone, I'm Jason ni Saison Alferez. I'm the cousin of Hans Christian Saison. So, for me, yun sa'yo makastoryan ako about divorce is some people see divorce as a necessary option or for individuals trapped in unhealthy or abusive or deeply unhappy na marriage. Like, they believing it provides a way to regain personal freedom, safety, and their mental well-being. In this sense, divorce can be viewed as a positive solution when the relationship is can no longer serves like kanang well-being of those kanang involved, and other may view divorce negatively, especially in kanang mga simbahan kay against kay sila, and they value of sanctity of marriage or believe in the importance of commitment, and they despite of challenges sa ilang relationship. Some people may also worry about the emotional, labi na kanang sa financial. Total divorce can take on families like particularly children